Money Maker Bandits. Always popular. Early Bird Special for Wednesday, March 31st. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Money Maker Bandit, the number one ranked Early Bird Special pro sport capper in the world. Money Maker Bandits recap show for Tuesday, March 30th. Money Maker Bandit Early Bird Special Gonzaga on the money line. Minus 425. Winner. Next up. Moneyville. Money Maker Bandit. Early Bird Special. Over. Under. USC Gonzaga. Bandit with the under. 153 points. Winner. Next up. Moneyville. 2-0. Money Maker Bandit. College basketball. For Tuesday, March 30th. Late night special for Tuesday, March 30th. UCLA, Michigan. Michigan favored. -7. Money Maker Bandit. Late night special. UCLA +7. A winner. Next up. Moneyville. 3-0. Bandit 3-0. Early Bird Special. Late night special. 3-0. Then Bandit throws in an under. UCLA, Michigan, under 136 points. 136 points. Winner, next up, Moneyville. Bandit 4-0, college basketball. Just showing off now, Bandit. Man, you're just showing off. Coming off a Monday, March 29, Monday. Bandit's premium plays, package deal, weekly, monthly package deal, 6-0. Bandit 2-0 with Kansas City, Major League Baseball, NBA, LA Clippers, Hockey Guy with the winner, Winnipeg Jets, and Bandits, one of Bandit's premium play package players, Chino, with the 3-0 record. So 6-0 on premium plays. Monday night, March 29. Tuesday night, Bandit comes back. NBA, Charlotte Hornets, first half, on the money line winner. College basketball, 4-0. Early Bird Special. Gonzaga, the under in the Gonzaga game. And late night special, UCLA +7 and the under 136 points winner. 4-0 college basketball. You're asking, Bandit, how's your premium play weekly, monthly package deals going? Okay, let's see now. Let's take a look at Bandit's premium plays. What we got here? We got 53 days. Bandit, personal record. $55 wins, 24 losses, 69% winners. Bandit. Hockey Guy. That's Bandit's Hockey Guy, NHL. 43 wins, 20 losses, 68% winners in 53 days. Team Bandit, that's Bandit and Hockey Guy. 76 wins, 35 losses, and 111 picks, 68% winners. This is Bandit's premium plays. Package deals. Just showing off now, Bandit. Oh, for $30 USD a week. USD, not $30 a day like these pro cappers charge you. Not $100 a week USD, $30 for the whole week. And that's UFC boxing. Bandit had a boxing Dylan White this week winner. That's UFC boxing, college basketball, NBA, NHL. all for $30 USD. And in 53 days, 68% winners. Not counting Bandit going 4-0, early bird special, late night special today. Just showing off, giving you the 4-0. Gonzaga winner. USC Gonzaga under 153 points winner. Then UCLA +7 winner, late night special. And the under 136 points in the UCLA Michigan game. Bandit just showing off. He was 6-0 yesterday. Premium plays in his private package deals. Oh, and Bandit's private package deals, there's only 10 available. 10 VIP seats on Bandit's Silver Bullet Express Money Train. Sold out. Bandit's the only professionally paid professional capper in the world with a sold out and restricted to 10 VIP seats of his package deal. You call up any of these pro cappers with your credit card, ask for a weekly or monthly package deal or season package deal. How many of them are sold out or restricted? None. Zero. How many have an early bird special? Making you money in 1 minute? None. How many of them have a late night special? Making you money in 1 minute? None. None of these pro cappers have an early bird special or a late night special. You can come to Bandit's channel any day. Check out Bandit's first play of the day and make money. Start the day 1-0. You've been losing all day. You need a winner? Come check out Bandit's late night special. Bandit got your back with a winner in the late night special. If you don't know, now you know. 6-0 yesterday, premium plays. Bandit comes on YouTube. Show off 4-0 college basketball. Just showing off now. Just showing off. That's all he's doing. If you don't know, now you know. Early bird special, NBA, Portland, and Detroit. Over 221 points. Portland, Detroit, NBA, over 221 points. Moneymaker Bandit. The #1 ranked early bird special pro sports capper in the world. The #1 ranked late night pro sports capper in the world. The #1 ranked flip a coin pro sports capper in the world. Moneymaker Bandit, the #1 ranked budget pro sports capper in the world. You name any pro sports capper out there with a $30 USD weekly package deal. $30 for all sports and playoffs. There's none. They're $30 a day USD, or they're $100 a day, a week for one sport. $100 each sport. NHL, $95 a week. NBA, $100 a week. College basketball, $100 a week. Bandit's given $323 package deal value for $30 USD. Moneymaker out. If you don't know, now you know. 4-0. Bandit just showing off now. See? Bandit just comes here to show off on YouTube. Premium play 6-0 yesterday. Winner today, NBA premium play, Charlotte. 7-0. And Bandit's premium play package deal, Claude won today too. So 8-0. NHL guy lost tonight in Washington. So 8-1. Premium place the last 2 days. 8-1. Not counting 4-0 here at college basketball. 4-0. So what's that? 12-1. Bandit's 12-1 the last 2 days. Just showing off now. Moneymaker out.